Tonight, a federal judge is considering whether the state can leave people locked in jail long after they've been found mentally unfit to stand trial.
Investigative reporter Eric Rasmussen's here with the latest on a legal fight over the state's controversial 48-hour law. Eric.
Kevin Lindsay, right now DHS only has to move someone out of jail and into a state mental hospital when a bed is available. But as we've reported, that can take weeks or months instead of 48 hours as the law previously required. Now lawyers argue changing that rule was unconstitutional. Just 1 mile from the Capitol, a judge at the federal courthouse in St. Paul is considering whether to reverse a move made by legislators earlier this year.
We're all watching that case, I think, with interest because the issue is very pertinent.
Washington County Attorney Kevin Magnuson is also part of a task force to re-examine what's known as the 48-hour rule, which required the state to move people out of jail and into hospitals no more than 2 days after a judge committed them to treatment for mental illness.
It was impossible to comply from the perspective of my client, DHS.
In May, the Attorney General convinced lawmakers to put the 48-hour rule on hold and give DHS any amount of time to find a bed. As 5 Investigates reported, previous violations of the 48-hour rule prompted multiple lawsuits. That includes Kyle Jerome Dalen. Now in a class action lawsuit on his behalf, lawyers want a judge to reinstitute the 48-hour rule, arguing the legislature's amendment is unconstitutionally vague.
You aren't getting them better when they're sitting in the jail. In many cases, they're not getting their medications.
Lawyer and former DFL state rep Deborah Hillstrom authored the bill that created the 48-hour rule 10 years ago and now represents clients also waiting for treatment.
I think that it is time for the constitutional issues to be raised, but I think it's ultimately time for the legislature to fix the problem.
Lawyers for DHS insist it simply does not have enough mental health beds, adding that admitting more patients than can be safely served puts existing patients and new patients, as well as staff, at significant risk.
You think we're ever going back to the old 48-hour rule?
You know, I think there's no way to have a system where if there's not accountability.
Now, at last check, DHS tells us it had 53 people on what it calls its priority admissions waiting list. Lawyers in that class action lawsuit declined to comment while waiting for the judge to rule on their motion, and there's no timeline for when that decision could come down. The task force that's also looking at reforms has to report back to the legislature in February.
Thanks, Eric Rasmussen.